Real estate is not about just buying and selling a home. It's about representing your client's greatest asset to their greatest benefit. This is Sanjay Gupta, broker and a team leader with eXp Realty. Today, I have a pleasure sitting with actually Miss Priya and Mr. Pinto. They have just sold their beautiful townhome at 1308 Costigan Road in Milton, and today we are kind of sitting together just to know actually your feedback about my services and my team services. So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to work with you guys, and just wanted to know about your feedback about my services, my team services. How did it go actually overall with you?
Right. So actually we were looking maybe last 2-3 months onwards and working with some other agent as well before we met you. So we were discussing and all those things happening, but when the market was really heating up, so then one of our common friends, Sanchari, so through her we came to know that Sanjay Gupta is even better than the agent which we are talking about.
Okay.
I said okay, so that's a good thing that we have a common friend, so hopefully we'll get the better service. But trust me, the expectation was beyond what I have expected for, and for example, he never hesitated to explain whenever I had different types of questions that he doesn't even expect those kind of questions. I have gone to those level of questions, and he never hesitated to answer those because he thinks that no question is stupid question or anything like that. So yeah, so for me it is above and beyond expectation kind of service, and I really hope to continue with him in future interviews as well.
And I would also like to add up, like when he's talking about his team, not only he, I would focus on the Bhavna, the way she has decorated our home, and even for the staging, with the way she has taken care of it. And I feel like she's a very perfectionist. The reason being, there was a picture, it's a small instance, but from very small things you can figure out that professionalism from that person. It was a little bit tilted. I said it's fine. She was being struggling for the last 15-20 minutes. I said it's fine, it's fine, it's looking good to me. But she took the extra time to fix it up till the time it is straight. It's really it's a very small thing, but that thing, it shows that how professional she is, how perfectionist she is. And apart from that, there are other things like we discussed before that how the staging would look like, but then in the end I had done a little bit change, and in the night I called her. I said, without letting you know, I did a little bit change of moving the furniture, but she within that short span of time she has taken that request, and she was like, you know what, I will just change it according to the way you want it. So
she was flexible enough to accommodate that request, and she ordered another extra stuff to accommodate that
and
stuff. So
to be honest, it came out really good.
It worked out really well.
It really worked out.
So
really
did we guys meet your expectations?
Definitely.
I would not say meet, I would say beyond expectation, because me and Pinto were discussing even in the future definitely we'll be buying homes, and also looking for the investment purposes. You guys, I wanted to just continue with you guys, no other people.
That's amazing actually. That's so much of motivating and so much supportive actually. Would you guys be recommending our services to your friends, family as well?
Definitely. Like I called Sanchari, the common friend, and I said, you know what, Sanchari and Dul, I said, it's not your experience. I would say that my experience really went, both of them as a team, everybody from the cleaning services to Sanjay Gupta, entire team, they did the best, and we were really happy with you. Yes.
Thank you so much actually. Thank you so much. My clients actually, they are very happy with my services, and they refer their own friends as well, and friends like Pinto and Priya as well. And guys, all my past clients or current clients, I really request your support. Just give me a call and we can have a beautiful testimonial video like this with you guys as well. And keep buying, keep selling with Sanjay Gupta. Thank you. See you.